How to kiss your girlfriend for the first time. Welcome to an exploration of one of the most exhilarating yet nerve-wracking experiences in the realm of romance, the first kiss with your girlfriend. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deep into the intricate nuances of crafting a truly memorable moment that will linger in both your minds for years to come. From establishing a profound connection to navigating the delicate dance of intimacy, each step is crucial in paving the way for a successful and unforgettable first kiss. Building a strong connection. Before embarking on the journey of physical intimacy, it's crucial to establish a sturdy emotional groundwork. Dive into understanding your partner wholeheartedly, her hobbies, dreams, and innermost yearnings. Engage in conversations that transcend superficial niceties, enabling both of you to unveil your true selves and forge a profound connection. Trust and mutual understanding form the bedrock of a secure and welcoming atmosphere, where both individuals can openly share their desires and vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. Taking the time to nurture this emotional bond not only deepens the intimacy between partners but also cultivates a stronger, more resilient relationship. By prioritizing emotional connection, you create a space where love and trust can flourish, paving the way for a fulfilling and lasting partnership built on genuine understanding and affection. Establishing this profound connection sets the stage for a truly meaningful and memorable first kiss. As you embark on this journey of intimacy, it's crucial to recognize the subtle cues and signals that indicate the perfect moment for that transformative experience. Recognizing the right moment. The timing of that unforgettable first kiss holds immense significance. Tune into the subtle cues and signals that hint at mutual attraction and readiness for intimacy. Extended and meaningful eye contact can serve as a compelling indicator of underlying emotions, signaling a mutual longing for closeness. Additionally, foster a playful atmosphere brimming with laughter and flirtation, setting the stage for that enchanting moment to blossom. Pay attention to the rhythm of conversation, the lingering touches, and the energy between you both. When the moment feels right, lean in with confidence, guided by the connection you've nurtured. Embrace the anticipation and excitement that accompany this pivotal moment, knowing that it signifies the beginning of a new chapter in your relationship. By being attuned to each other's signals and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, you set the stage for a kiss that will be remembered for a lifetime. Once you've established a connection and identified the ideal moment, approaching the first kiss with confidence is paramount. By exuding self-assurance and respect, you can ensure that both you and your partner feel comfortable and enthusiastic about taking the next step. Approaching with confidence. Confidence forms the bedrock of a memorable first kiss. Begin by focusing on personal grooming and hygiene, presenting your most polished self to your partner. Approach the moment with a poised and self-assured demeanor, radiating confidence and reassurance. Initiate with tender gestures like holding hands or a gentle embrace, steadily heightening the anticipation and intimacy between you both. If uncertainty hangs in the air, don't shy away from seeking verbal consent. A straightforward question like, "May I kiss you?" demonstrates respect and consideration, dispelling any lingering doubts and ensuring mutual comfort and enthusiasm for advancing to the next level. Remember, confidence isn't just about exuding charm, it's about respecting boundaries and prioritizing the comfort and consent of your partner. By embodying confidence in both your actions and words, you pave the way for a first kiss that is not only unforgettable but also founded on mutual respect and understanding. With confidence as your ally, let us now explore the intricacies of the kiss itself. As you lean in for that long-awaited moment, remember to keep it soft, gentle, and tender, laying the foundation for a deeply intimate connection between you and your partner. Mastering the kiss itself. Now, let's explore the delicate artistry of the kiss itself. As you lean in for that eagerly anticipated moment, aim for softness, gentleness, and tenderness. Eschew overpowering passion or intensity during the initial kiss. Instead, concentrate on expressing your affection and admiration for your partner through understated yet profound gestures. Close your eyes to deepen the feeling of intimacy, permitting yourselves to be wholly absorbed in the moment. Pay attention to lip care, ensuring that your lips are smooth, pliant, and enticing, enriching the overall sensation for both parties involved. Remember, the first kiss sets the tone for future romantic encounters, so savor each fleeting second and let your genuine emotions guide your movements. By approaching the kiss with finesse, sensitivity, and a touch of vulnerability, you create a memorable and enchanting experience that will linger in your minds long after your lips part. Following the kiss, effective communication is key in navigating the aftermath and setting the stage for future romantic endeavors. By openly sharing your thoughts and feelings, you can deepen your connection and foster a sense of mutual understanding and respect. Navigating post-kiss communication. The aftermath of the inaugural kiss plays a pivotal role in shaping the course of your emerging relationship. Invest in open and honest communication with your partner, articulating your thoughts, emotions, and aspirations with respect and sincerity. This dialogue post-kiss presents a golden chance to fortify your connection and nurture mutual trust and comprehension. Moreover, prioritize your partner's comfort and boundaries, honoring their autonomy and affording them the room to navigate their feelings. By approaching this juncture with sensitivity and attentiveness, you lay the groundwork for a relationship built on mutual respect, genuine understanding, and shared vulnerability. Finally, as you reflect on the experience and look towards the future, remember the importance of planning future moments to nurture and sustain your relationship's growth and development. Planning future moments. If the initial kiss was met with excitement and happiness, contemplate orchestrating subsequent romantic encounters to deepen your bond. Whether it involves a candlelit dinner, a moonlit stroll, or a cozy movie night at home, the options are boundless. By actively cultivating the evolution of your relationship through these thoughtful gestures, you sow the seeds for a resilient foundation grounded in love, trust, and mutual admiration. These moments of shared intimacy and connection serve to nourish the connection between you and your partner, strengthening the emotional ties that bind you together. Embrace the opportunity to explore new experiences together, enriching your journey as a couple and laying the groundwork for a fulfilling and enduring partnership. In conclusion, mastering the art of the first kiss is a journey filled with excitement, anticipation, and tender moments of intimacy. By prioritizing emotional connection, recognizing the right moment, approaching with confidence, and navigating post-kiss communication with care and respect, you can create a truly unforgettable experience with your girlfriend. Remember, it's not just about the kiss itself, but the profound connection and bond that it symbolizes. So, embrace the moment wholeheartedly, and may your kisses always be filled with love and passion. Join us on our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing today. Get notified about the latest content and engage with our community to share your thoughts and connect with others. Hit the like button, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to never miss any future videos. Thank you for your support and for joining us on this journey.